Barbie Fortesa update and during taping ng Beauty Empire, day 25, dyan sa Charings, guilty. Ang kausap ni Barbie dyan si Divine. Ang ganyan kabisi si Barbie. Saka ito picture din si Barbie sa si Ewan sa GMA Pictures for movie nila. Ang Penthouse 77, si July 30 na yan. Ang galing pa sumayaw ni Barbie, oh. Nag-TikTok si Barbie. Yung baby. Ayan yung behind the scene. Grabe energy ni Barbie. Saka ito pa, interview kay Barbie.
Kaganda ko naman. Wait lang naman. Di ba nga po, Supa? Hindi talaga. Hindi ganun. Ito na nga. Pakiramdam ko po kasi lahat po ng characters, hindi lang po yung love angle or yung love interest. Maraming talagang layers. So, I don't think there would be a second lead syndrome because everybody has their strengths in terms of their characters. Lahat na yung pinaglalaban, hindi ba? So, I guess, magkakatalo na lang yan sa feedback ng audience, ganyan. Pero feeling ko everyone will root for each and every one of us.
Yun,
Yeah, and
just
to add to that, I think and I trust na our writers will write it in such a way that it will all be satisfying for all. It's a good story, and it will be a satisfying story and a satisfying finish. He is very genuine, and I think he's that one person who really knows her. He genuinely cares for her, and he wants to be a part of her life in whatever she does. And gagawin niya lahat. He will do anything to protect her and to make sure that she's taken care of.
Yeah.
Yun, no?
Oh, young policeman, pero torpe.
Correct nila yun, Rob.
Ang galit ni
Masabi sa
Barbie.
kanya. Hindi niya kayang sabihin.
Yun.
Yes, very Pinoy, very Pinoy.
Ayan yung karak. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.